Hello and welcome. This video on workbook solutions for class 4th EVS chapter number 13 A Reverse Tale is brought to you by Mint Talk India. Let's see our questions. Question number 1, select the best option. Number 1, river water will not become dirty if you drink it, because for all other reasons, if we bath in it, if we empty waste into it, and if we wash clothes in it, it will get dirty. Question number 2, the color of the water will change if we try to dissolve cooking soda in it. It will become little whitish in color. Number 3, dash are sources of drinking water. Rivers and lakes are the sources of drinking water. Number 4, the color of the river water is blue when it comes down from the mountain. Number 5, the water in a river increases during the rainy season. Question number 2, write true or false. Number 1, we can drink seawater without harming our health. No, that is false. Number 2, if we see fish swimming in river, it means that the water is clean. No, that is false. Because then also there will be many germs and bacteria in the river water. Number 3, we should not wash our clothes in the river. Yes, that is true. Number 4, water changes color after it passes a city because some water is removed for use by people living in the city. Although it is true that water changes color when it passes a city, but this is false, that the reason is water being removed for the people's use in the city. लोगों के इस्तेमाल करने की वजह से अगर हम कुछ पानी निकाल लेते हैं तो पानी का कलर चेंज कैसे होगा? Number 5, one of the best way to clean water is by boiling it. Yes, that is true. Question number 3, fill in the blanks. Number 1, if many dead fishes are found on the banks of a river, it means that the river water is polluted. Number 2, if we try to dissolve haldi in water, the water will change to yellow color. Number 3, wheat flour dissolves or mixes in water. Number 4, if oil leaks from a ship on the river, it may kill the fishes present in the river. Number 5, even if the water appears blue and clean, it may not be alright to drink, because then also there will be many germs present in that water. Number 4 question, match the following. Sand does not mixes in water. Number 2, boiling water makes it drinkable. Number 3, milk dissolves in water very easily. Number 4, washing clothes pollutes the water which is being used. Number 5, river water has many fish in it if it is clean. Question number 5, see the picture and answer the following questions. Number 1, what are the two substances which will make the river water impure and not fit for drinking? If factory waste and human garbage is thrown into the river, the water will be polluted. Number 2, what are two man-made sources of water? Well and hand pump are the two man-made sources of water, because hand pump is also fitted by the human people and well is also dug by human. And the water which is present under the ground is taken out by us. Number 3, if we drink dirty water, what can happen to us? If we drink dirty water, we will fall sick with diseases like diarrhea, typhoid and cholera. Number 4, from where does a river usually start and where does it usually end? The river usually starts from the mountains and it ends at the sea. Number 5, why does the color of the water, river water, change from place to place? Because of the dissolved impurities from different places, the color of the water changes. Next question, in a river, some parts have many fishes while other have much less fish. Why is it so? Answer, where the water is more polluted, fishes cannot stay alive there. So there are less fishes. Fishes can live nicely when the water is not polluted or clean. Number 2, how can flooding cause water to be impure? When flood occurs, water overflows from river into cities, roads and houses, making everything drown in water. And so the water become muddy and dirty. Number 3, how does the water in ponds and lakes become impure? Water in ponds and lakes become impure when people wash clothes, utensils or throw garbage in it. Next question, write 3 examples each of the following. Water pollutants. Water pollutants are those substances which when mixed in water makes the water dirty, like oil from the ship, factory waste and garbage when thrown into water makes the water dirty. Next point is water sources. So the three examples of water sources are lake, pond and river. Next is animals living in water. So all the water animals like fishes, turtles, alligators, they are animals living in water. Next question, what does the term rainwater harvesting means? How it is used to save water? Rainwater harvesting is a method by which we can collect and store the rainwater for our future use, which we get for free and which we should save. Through rainwater harvesting, a lot of rainwater can be saved and used later on, which is otherwise washed off and gets wasted. Next question, what are some methods used to clean the water at home? Like, number 1 point is boiling, which kills the germs and the bacteria in it. Similarly, point number 2 is filtering, which removes the dissolved impurities in it. Third method is using water purification tablet. By this method also, dissolved impurities are removed. And fourth point is distillation, which is the process to get the purest form of water. Next question, due to which activities seen in the drawing shown in question 5 does the river water becomes impure? In each activity mention what is added or removed to make it pure. Water becomes impure when people washes clothes and utensils and bath their animals in them. When oil is spilled in the river water and factory waste or human waste is thrown in river water. And to make the river water pure again, it is sent through the water treatment plant. Next question, suggest some changes in the drawing shown in question 5, giving reasons so that the water entering the sea at the end remains fit for drinking. Or you can say the water can remain pure when it enters the sea. So what can be done? First point is, people should not wash clothes near a river or should not throw garbage. Next point is, factory waste should not be thrown into rivers. So if we follow these two methods, the river water will remain pure when it enters the sea. Next question, find out and write about some methods for saving water. In each method, explain how water is saved. Point number 1, controlling the use of water. Like when we take a bath, we should use a bucket instead of shower, so that we know that we have used only one bucket of water, wherein in shower a lot of water is wasted. Point number 2, reusing water. Like water which is used to wash fruits and vegetables, we can give the same water to the plants. And the water which is used to wash our clothes can be used to flush our toilets. So we are reusing the water. And the third point is rainwater harvesting, which is a method to collect rainwater in our rooftop and store it in the storage tank through pipelines, which can be used when rain is not there. And this is the perfect method to save the rainwater. This is the end of our workbook. Hope you like it. The link for the explanation of this chapter is given in the description box. We will meet very soon with the workbook solutions of our next chapter. Till then, thank you very much and God bless you all. Thanks for watching and do like, share, subscribe our channel Mint Talk India for more upcoming videos.